In our production process, every step reflects our commitment to precision. Drilling, milling, and tapping operations showcase unmatched craftsmanship. Using high-performance CNC machines, we ensure stability and accuracy. Every operation is carefully controlled, from secure workpiece clamping to optimize cutting speeds and precise coolant application. Each stage is meticulously designed to extend tool life and enhance overall machining quality. Whether drilling, milling, or tapping, we meet the highest standards to ensure each product achieves optimal performance, precision, quality, and excellence in every detail.